Hello guys, welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to remove your personal information from the internet in 3 simple steps. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.
If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started.
Step 1. Erase online accounts. Most of the websites that we use regularly, like Amazon or Netflix, also store a lot of personal information like your full name, email, maybe even your date of birth, your address, and more. Deleting accounts that you no longer use is a great way to start erasing yourself from the internet. Step 2. Find the source. When someone searches for you on Google and finds your personal information, the website that they show is the source of your information, not Google itself. The best way to remove yourself from these kinds of searches is to go back to the original host's site and delete your account or content from there. Step 3. Remove yourself from data broker websites. Data brokers like White Pages, Been Verified, and Intellius are constantly crawling the web for your personal information, and then collect and organize it into personal profiles about you. They post this on their websites, making your information publicly available for anyone to find. They collect data about every move you make online, put together a profile, and sell it to anyone who will buy it at a pretty low cost. Are you thinking about how to protect privacy online from data brokers? To get rid of this, we have an amazing application known as DeleteMe. DeleteMe is a hands-free subscription service that removes your personal information from the leading data broker websites online. Its privacy specialists are experts in removal from White Pages as well as all other major data broker websites. It empowers individuals to take back control over their personal information, and how it is accessed, shared, and sold online. The subscription service removes details like names, addresses, and phone numbers from websites such as White Pages, Spokeo, and Intellius to help clients remove personal information from Google. Highlights of DeleteMe. Easy to use. Top service to remove personal information. Safe and secure. Price and plans of DeleteMe are displaying on the screen. Our viewers get a special 20% discount on all DeleteMe subscriptions. Product and discount links are provided in the description.
I hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.